This video is sponsored by Mao Tech Solutions. If you have lag problems with your computer shop and Wi-Fi Vendo machine, try our Macrotic with lag reduction configuration. Proven and tested by our customers. We also offer Wi-Fi hotspot so you can start your Wi-Fi business by just selling vouchers without having a machine. We also offer PPPoE if you want to supply internet to your neighbors. Visit our Shopee store and add to cart now.
Good day mga Kamautek. So, very quick tutorial lang tayo kung paano magdagdag ng user profile sa hotspot at saka paano mag-edit ng user profile. So, login tayo sa Micmon server. Click nyo yung open Micmon. And then log in your account. Tapos piliin nyo yung router nya na add nyo. Open. And then go to hotspot, user profile list. So for example, wala pang mga profile na nadagdag dito, or for example dadagdagan nyo to ng, since 1 day lang yung pinakamataas dito, dadagdagan nyo ng 7 days. So for example, mag-add tayo ng 7 days, click nyo lang yung add, and then for example 100 PHP equals 7 days, expire 14 days. Depende lang ito sa inyo mga Kamautek ha, depende na sa diskarte nyo yung mga rates nyo. Address pool, full hotspot, rate 2M, 2M. Pwede din kayong mag 3M, 3M mga Kamautek, depende sa inyo. Pero para sa akin okay na yung 2M, 2M, safe na yon. Expired mode, remove and record. Validity, the same dito, valid 14 days. So validity 14D, price 100, and then lock user, enable nyo lang pala, isang cellphone lang yung makagamit ng voucher. So click save and then close. So ayan, may nadagdag na user profile mga Kamautek. Tapos for example, kung gusto nyong mag-edit ng mga user profile, for example yung 10 pesos 6 hours, gawin yung 10 pesos 8 hours. So click nyo lang yung profile and then edit nyo dito 8 hours, pero the same yung validity. For example, yung validity nya is gawin yung 16 hours. So make sure also to change this part here mga Kamautek, validity, since binago nyo yung taas, 16 hours. So the price same pa rin. So after that, just click save and then close. So ganyan lang ka-simple mga Kamautek. Maraming salamat.